There's a silent war happening every morning between the version of you that wants comfort and the one that wants change. One hits snooze, the other gets up. Which one wins? That's the battle that shapes your future. Now listen closely, because what you're about to hear might sting. But it could be the wake-up call you've needed your whole life. You're not stuck because the world is unfair. You're not falling behind because you're unlucky. You're here right now, broken, tired, and unfulfilled because you chose it. You hit snooze when you should have risen. You scrolled when you should have studied. You binged when you should have built. You talked about your dreams more than you ever worked on them. You've become a slave to your impulses, a prisoner to your emotions, and worst of all, you've traded progress for comfort. Every excuse you've made, every plan you postponed, every "I'll do it tomorrow," that's how regret is built. That's how lives are wasted. And here's the terrifying truth. No one is coming to save you. Not tomorrow, not next week, not ever. This is your life, and you're the only one who can change it. Take a breath. Yes, you've made mistakes. Yes, you've wasted time. But that doesn't mean you're done. You're still here. And as long as you're still breathing, you still have the power to rewrite everything, but it won't happen by luck, or inspiration, or some overnight miracle. It happens through one thing: discipline. Discipline is doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. It's showing up when you're tired, choosing your future over your feelings, being loyal to your purpose, not your mood. You want a better body, a better business, a better life? Then stop negotiating with yourself. Set the alarm and get up. Open the book and read. Shut off the noise and focus. Don't let emotions run your life. Train your mind to obey your mission. You think you're too far gone? Too late to turn it around? Then hear this. There was a man who had $7 in his pocket. No job, no fame, no clear direction. He was cut from pro football, depressed, living in his car. But he made a decision to show up with discipline, even when nobody was watching. That man was Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. He turned $7 into a global empire through relentless focus, through discipline. As he once said, success at anything will always come down to this: focus and effort, and we control both. You're not weak, you're not broken. You're just undisciplined. And that's something you can fix. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to wake up tomorrow and be stronger than you were today. Fight through one more excuse, one more temptation, one more wave of doubt. And if you fall, good. That means you're human. But don't stay down. Get up with fire. Get up with purpose. Get up with discipline. Because the moment you stop giving in to doubt, and the moment you stop running from discomfort, that's the moment your life begins to change. So take the pain, take the fear, take the doubt, and turn it into fuel. This is your comeback. This is your rise. This is your time. When doubt shouts, you answer back with one voice, one choice. Discipline over doubt. Always.